Yo, people, what's good? Right, it's been a minute since I've done an unboxing, but I thought if we're going to do it and bring it back, I'm going to do it proper, right? So shout outs to my Footshop fan for looking out, because we've not got just one pair of Air Huaraches, we've got two. We're going to be looking at the Bright Mangoes and the Oreos, both of which have never been reissued since they first debuted back in the early 90s. I do believe around 92, not 91, but 92. Anyway, the Tinker Hatfield design classic, as you know, is one of my favorite shoes of all time. The minimalist aspect, the technology, the whole aesthetics of the shoe are absolutely phenomenal. Right, let's go check out the Bright Mangoes first. I love the tissue paper. It's taking it back with all the original logos, etc. from that era. And then boom, just look at that. Just look at how sharp that retooled silhouette has been. This shoe has never been retroed in the manner that it has recently. This is retooled back to the original specifications that Tinker Hatfield created in 1991. Let's get up close. Now, as I said, the Bright Mango hasn't been reissued before. And just look at the color pop. It's timeless. Look at how the toe box rakes back. Far superior to the recent retros, including the recrafteds. The nylon mesh in effect right there. The neoprene. What a touch. And check it out. The original flex grooves are now back. Because if you have a look at the retros from the 2000s, this bit is solid. So you can actually run in these. These are actually performance. To a degree. Obviously, since 91, the technology has improved. But, you know what? They still look banging. They still look future to this day. Now, these ones here, out of the two, I got to say, these shaded for me. These were just impossible to get back in the day. These are the Oreos. And just look at how that black-white color blocking enhances the aesthetics of the shoe. Absolutely superb. Both of these bad boys are available at Footshop. My homies for looking out. Always coming through. And again, with the flexes. But check it out. I mean, you know what? These are just absolutely incredible. But yes, anyways, I reckon these are the bad boys that you want to see on your feet this summer. And either way you're going to go, they're just a hard look. So anyways, people, I hope you're staying safe. Thanks once again for joining me. Subscribe if you're looking at the YouTube channel, please, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's build this together, right? And to my Footshop fan, once again for looking out. Peace, man. Love you guys. One love, everyone.